Hello everyone, welcome to Techmentation Lab. Every industry requires skilled professionals to execute its projects within given period of time to its end users. So here is a video to all those who want to do a course after B or BTECH in Instrumentation. Let's see first course, which is software course, electrical drafting. In this course, an individual would learn to create electrical wiring drawings, design control circuits, protection circuits for field instruments. An individual would learn to draw PLC layout modules with wire numbering and tagging circuit designs. An individual could make good use of instrumentation symbols while drawing electrical circuits. Electrical panel layout drawings can also be learned from this course. Now let's see what are job opportunities of this course. One can get as electrical designer in industries which are having their client base in oil and gas industry, in chemical industry, in EPC industry, in energy and power industry, in cement industry and petrochemical industry. Now let's see next course, which is software course, piping and instrumentation. In this course, one learned to draw process flow diagram used to indicate general flow of plant processes and equipment. One learned to draw p&id diagrams with basic p&id symbols used in process industries. An individual learned to implement and draw instrument signal lines such as electrical, hydraulic, pneumatic, gas and air lines. An individual learned to design calculation and equipment identification for flow, level, temperature and pressure instruments used in process industries. Also, valve identification, valve fitting and its types could be learned from this course. Also, an individual learned to interpret p&ids of equipment such as pumps, vessels and compressors. Now let's see what are job opportunities of this course. One can get as instrument design engineer in industries which are having their client base in energy and power industry, in pulp and paper industry, in food and beverage industry, in pipeline installations, in oil and gas industry, in chemical and petrochemical industry. Now let's see next course, which is hardware and software course, PLC, DCS, SCADA. In this course, one learn about basic working of switchgears, AC drives through hard wiring. An individual learn about panel designing by implementing basic knowledge of electrical load circuits. One learn to troubleshoot control circuits. An individual learn to program PLC or DCS logics in control systems. Also, configuring SCADA screens on HMI and simulate and testing with PLC DCS control system can be done. Now let's see what are job opportunities of this course. One can get as programmer in industries which are having their client base in automation, in pharmaceutical industry, in process industries, in robotics industry, in power and energy industry and in oil and gas industry. Now let's see next course, which is hardware course, instrumentation design. In this course, one learn about installation and commissioning of machines, instruments and electrical panels on and off site. An individual learn to select appropriate instruments according to instrument signal lines. An individual learn about cable tray layout, cable selection, cable routing at site. Also, one learn to calibrate various type of instruments using process industries such as pressure, temperature, flow and level. Let's see what are the niche sectors of job opportunities of this course. One can get as installation and commissioning engineer in industries which are having their client base in EPC sector, in oil and gas industry, in food and beverage industry, in chemical and petrochemical industry and in energy and power industry. Now let's see next course, which is software course, smart plant instrumentation used for design and detail engineering. In this course, one learn to store a set of instrument and control system data. An individual learn about IO list document containing list of input and output of control system. One learn about instrument index document which contains instrument device information such as tag number, location, type of instrument. One learn to read about instrument data sheet document containing technical information of an instrument device. An individual learn to draw hookup drawings showing installation of instrument device. An individual learned to read and draw loop diagrams showing detailed connection from instrument device to control system. Also, one learned to document list of instrument cable which contains information about cable size, cable number and cable length. Now let's see what are job opportunities of this course. One can get as design engineer in industries which are having their client base in oil and gas industry, in chemical and petrochemical industry, in energy and power industry, in steel industry and in pharmaceutical industry. So for more information about instrumentation, please hit the like button, do subscribe our channel and give your valuable comments on the same. Thank you.